Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can apply for a scholarship in Hamad bin Khalifa University. First, you have to make your account and then you can click on the apply online. In apply online, you can click on you want to apply for a PhD, master, bachelor or certificate. So here I will select PhD. So then you can select any program. I am selecting PhD in genomics and precision medicine. Then you can select applicant type, like I am international student, then save and continue. Then here you can write about your all your personal information. After writing your personal information, you can I don't have any specific information, so I will just write personal info. I will just write anything. Just save this. Okay, your home country. Then no. You can select any country like. I want to select Pakistan. You can select Pakistan from here. Then you can write so then you can write your address. Country is Pakistan. City is Islamabad. You can write your own city and your own country name. Then here you can write Pakistan. Where is Pakistan? Okay, then just save the application and continue. And then here you have to write about your information like you are male or female, then you are married or not, then you have to write your date of birth, your country, Pakistan. Like if your mother is the citizen of Qatar, you can click on that, no. Then residence status, international, okay, citizenship, Pakistan. Here you can write your passport number and expiry date. Save and continue. Then here you can write about your previous university. Are you currently enrolled in a university or not? I am not, so I will write no. Here you can write like NUST, Islamabad. Islamabad, then country, Pakistan. Then you can write about another university. I will write Iqra University. So then you have to write all the information. 2020, attended month January, 2022. Here my graduated, yes. Type of degree you earn, master degree, earn academic degree. You can write relevant to your field. I want to see the biology, but you can write data analytics. Then here biological sciences, degree date 2022. So you have to fill your own information. University grade, English degree attendance in class. So I have no, you just select save and continue. Then here you have to write about your work experience if you have. I will not add anything here because I am this is just the overview. I am making this video to show you how you can fill your application. Then save and continue. Then if you have any additional information like your language, here I will write English. Are you interested in campus housing? Yes. How well you fund your education? Here you have mentioned that I require a scholarship from HBKU in order to attend. You have to write about this. You have to select this option. Have you previously applied to HBKU? If you applied, you have to click yes. If you haven't applied, you have to select no. So do you have medical condition or disability? No. Just save and continue. Then here in additional information, you have to write additional information like from where, how did you hear about HBKU, social media, you can write it. What is the primary factor influence your decision to Hamad bin Khalifa University? You can write anything. What is the secondary influence? You can write like college professor. I understand that once my application has been submitted, it may not alter in any way. So you have to read all the instruction and then you have to write. Then you have to review your application before submission. Okay, you have to review your application before submission and then you can submit. So I will not submit my application because I was making this video to show you how you can apply for a scholarship in Hamad bin Khalifa University. So this is all about today's video. If you need information like how you can write a personal statement from Hamad bin Khalifa University for the Hamad bin Khalifa University, or if you need information how to make CV for the PhD application or master or PhD in Hamad bin Khalifa University, then please leave your question on the comments below. I will make another video on that. Thank you for watching my video. See you next time.